Hello everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful pair of earrings. This is really easy to make and I will show you all the stitches step by step. First of all, we will see what are the things needed. We will need some yarn. I'm going to use 100% cotton yarn over here in these three colors, and 1.25mm steel crochet hook, 2 hook ear wires, 2 of the 6mm jump rings, 4 wooden beads to decorate the earrings, the pair of scissors, yarn needle, pliers, and some fiber filling for stuffing. These are the things required. Now let's see how to make it. We will start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger twice like this. And then we need to put a stitch to secure the magic ring. Insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have a loop, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we are ready with our magic ring and we are going to work 6 single crochets into the magic ring in the first round. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the first single crochet. Again, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the second single crochet. Again, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the ring, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have completed 3 single crochets here. We need to make 3 more single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Once we complete 6 single crochets into the magic ring, we can pull this tail tight to close the magic ring. And then we will join the round by working a slip stitch into the first stitch. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now we have completed the first round. We have 6 stitches around and then chain 1 to start with round 2. In round 2 we are going to work 1 increase into each and every stitch around. Work 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Work over this tail so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. And then work another single crochet into the same stitch. This is an increase. We will work another increase into the second stitch. Work 1 single crochet into the second stitch and work another single crochet into the very same stitch. Just like that, we are going to continue working 2 single crochets into each one of the stitches around. 1 and 2, then again 1 and 2, then again 1 and 2. Now we have only 1 stitch left. We will work 2 single crochets into the last stitch as well. 1 and 2. And then we are going to work a slip stitch into the very first stitch of the round to join. Insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Now we have 12 stitches around. And then chain 1 to start with round 3 and then work 1 increase into the first stitch, work one single crochet into the first stitch and work another single crochet into the same stitch. This is the increase. Again work one single crochet into the second stitch. This is the pattern we need to repeat. We need to work 2 single crochets into the first stitch as an increase and then 1 single crochet into the stitch after that. Again 2 single crochets into the first stitch, 1 and 2, then work 1 single crochet into the stitch after that. Just like that we are going to repeat until the end of the round. By the end you will have 18 stitches around. Now I'm at the end of the round, and then again work a slip stitch into the very first stitch of the round to join, like so. Now we have 18 stitches around. Chain 1 to start with round 4. There we need to work 1 increase into the first stitch, work 1 single crochet and another single crochet into the same stitch, and then work 1 single crochet into each one of the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Again work 1 increase into the first stitch, 1 and 2, then work 1 single crochet into each one of the next 2 stitches, 1 single crochet into the first stitch and another single crochet into the second stitch. We need to repeat the pattern, 2 single crochets into the first stitch, 1 and 2, then work 1 single crochet into the second stitch and again 1 single crochet into the third stitch, 2 1 1. That is the pattern to repeat until the end of the round. By the end you will have 24 stitches around. Now I'm at the end of the round, and then we will work a slip stitch to join, like so, and then chain 1 and we will fold it in half like so, and then we are going to join these halves by working single crochets into the stitches from here. So we will insert the hook into one loop in both the stitches and work a single crochet to join them together. Like so, we are going to continue working single crochets to join these 2 pieces. And then I'm going to stop from here and put some fiber filling. After that we will continue to join the pieces again. This is going to be the very last single crochet to join those pieces, and then we have one stitch left over here at the top. We are going to work a slip stitch into that stitch. We go into the first loop and then work a slip stitch, and we have completed one piece here. Chain one and leave a little tail, and you can cut the yarn off. This is what we have completed, and then we can use the yarn needle to hide the tail of the project like this. After that, we need to repeat the pattern to complete the other pieces as well. Now I have completed all these pieces, and then we will see how to put all the pieces together to complete the earring. First of all, I'm going to have a little piece of black yarn and then use the yarn needle to attach all these pieces together. And then I'm gonna insert the jump ring also in and put some knots to secure like this. And we will use the yarn needle again to hide the tails. This is what we have completed so far, and then we will attach the hook ear wire . Use the pliers to attach the hook ear wire in like this and then secure it with the pliers again. Now we have completed our earring. This is what our final project will look like. I hope I have explained all the instructions clearly for you. If you have any question regarding making this, you can comment in the comment section below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching Hiru Handmade.